Hello, how are you guys doing today? Welcome to my channel. My name is Edith. If this is your first time of visiting my channel, I want to encourage you to click on the subscribe button. I want to show you how to make anti-stress juice, and we are just going to be using 3 ingredients. 1 full cucumber and half red onion. If you don't have a red onion, you can use the white one. Then a little bit of ginger. Very easy to make. Make this juice. You can use a juicer or you can use a grater. I'm using a grater today. And squeeze the water out. You can use a cheesecloth to take the juice out. Drink it, half cup of it before you sleep, and half cup when you wake up in the morning, first thing in the morning. Believe me, it will cut down your stress level. I've been drinking this, guys. Even my husband will be drinking it, right? Okay. All right. I'm going to use this grater to do it. If you don't have this type of my grater, you can use any type that you have. Okay. The magic juice, guys. When you drink it, it cuts down your stress level. So I finished grating it. You can see this is the cucumber, half red onion, and a little bit of ginger. So after grating it, you have to use a cheesecloth. I have this cloth that I usually use to squeeze the water out. So put everything in here, then take the juice out. Okay, this helps to reduce your stress level. You can see, very easy, right? Doesn't take long. Drink this half cup every evening before you sleep, and the first thing when you wake up. If you are always stressed, I want you to know this will help. Yeah, it's all ready. This is it. I'm gonna drink this before I sleep. It's not yet time to sleep. I'm just gonna taste it. Guys, I've come to the end of this video. If you like my video, please comment, subscribe, encourage me by subscribing, and share video with friends and family. Anti-stress juice, this is very good, believe me. So till then, eat healthy, live healthy, and be healthy. Bye for now.